Oh, hey everyone. Okay, I just got done filming my Project Life, but I thought, you know what, let me just do it now. Let me get this stuff done, the unboxing now for certain things. Okay, so this is the Stamps of Life. I get the Stamp and Die. I'm part of the Die Club. And we get, each month we get a stamp. And we get the coordinating die, and they like to give you freebies, which I love. This is a little watermelon freebie. Isn't that cute? It's a freebie. Oh, so this is cute. Oh, look at the little pots. Look at the little cats. Oh my goodness, but this is a window. That is super cute. So it coordinates with this one. So I like this. I paid $26 and change. For this. I was getting the card kit. I didn't like the card kit. I didn't. So all I get is the Die Hard. So that's the Stamps of Life, you guys. I love it. I think every month, but I like cutesy. Every month they're cutesy. So if you don't like cutesy, then this isn't for you. But yeah, Stamps of Life. Alright guys.